Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will be talking about the best air fryers of 2023. Air fryers are a great way to cook food quickly and easily, without all the oil and fat of traditional frying. They're also a great way to get crispy, delicious food without having to heat up your oven. I've tested out a bunch of different air fryers over the past few months and narrowed it down to my top 5 picks. I'll be sharing all the details including the pros and cons of these air fryers in this video, so you can decide which is right for you. So if you're looking for a healthy, convenient, and easy way to cook your favorite foods, then you'll definitely want to watch this video. Stick till the end of the video to see my top pick and most recommended of these fryers. Let's cut to the chase and get reviewing. Fifth on my list we have Beautiful by Drew Barrymore Touchscreen Air Fryer. Drew Barrymore's touchscreen air fryer is a game changer in the world of kitchen appliances. This multifunctional marvel effortlessly combines style, versatility, and ease of use to create a truly remarkable cooking experience. From its sleek design to its impressive features, this air fryer is poised to become your new kitchen companion. One of the standout features of the Beautiful air fryer is its remarkable versatility. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this appliance opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Crispy fries, succulent chicken wings, and even delectable desserts are just a touch away. The touchscreen interface makes selecting the perfect cooking settings a breeze, ensuring consistent results every time. Using the Beautiful air fryer is a delightful experience, thanks to its intuitive design. The touchscreen control panel provides an effortless way to customize temperature and cooking time, allowing you to achieve your desired level of crispiness with ease. The non-stick basket ensures that your creations effortlessly slide out, while also making cleanup a breeze. Its stylish design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, elevating both your cooking and your decor. Safety is paramount in any kitchen, and the Beautiful air fryer excels in this aspect. The appliance is equipped with advanced safety features, giving you peace of mind while you indulge in your culinary experiments. As with any product, there are a few points to consider. While the Beautiful air fryer is a powerhouse in the kitchen, it's not without its minor drawbacks. The operating noise level may be a bit noticeable, which might be a concern for those seeking a quieter cooking experience. Additionally, the air fryer's small capacity might require multiple batches for larger gatherings. While the Beautiful air fryer offers convenience at its finest, it's important to note that it's not dishwasher safe. Hand washing the components is recommended to ensure their longevity. Introducing the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 XL 2-basket air fryer as our fourth best pick. A culinary marvel that redefines kitchen efficiency and unleashes your inner chef. Elevating your cooking game to unprecedented heights, this appliance seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with unparalleled convenience. From its generous capacity to its ingenious dual-basket design, the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer is a culinary powerhouse that stands above the rest. At its heart, the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer is the epitome of versatility. Its expansive 10-quart capacity makes it a perfect companion for large families or anyone aiming to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. This feature not only saves time but also ensures everyone's cravings are satisfied without a hitch. The innovative dual-basket design further solidifies its prowess. Imagine the joy of preparing crispy chicken tenders and golden onion rings simultaneously, without flavor mingling. It's a reality with this air fryer. Utilizing this fryer is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly digital controls and pre-programmed settings. Even better, the Keep Warm function guarantees that your culinary creations stay at their optimal temperature until you're ready to serve. Safety is paramount, and the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer takes this responsibility seriously. Crafted from PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS-free materials, this appliance ensures that your family's health and well-being are always the top priority. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, your investment is backed by Ninja's commitment to quality. While the Ninja Foodie 2-basket air fryer boasts an array of impressive attributes, it's essential to consider a couple of aspects. Due to its substantial size, portability might be limited. However, this drawback is outweighed by the appliance's ability to cater to large gatherings and culinary adventures. Get ready to transform your kitchen with the Instant Pot Duo Crisp, a culinary powerhouse that redefines convenience and versatility. Its single-lid design simplifies cooking, seamlessly shifting between functions like pressure cooking, air frying, and roasting. With a 6.3-quart capacity, the Duo Crisp caters to gatherings of all sizes, making every meal a breeze. User-friendly digital controls, pre-programmed settings, and a handy keep warm function ensure effortless operation. Cleanup is a snap thanks to the non-stick inner pot and dishwasher-safe components. Safety is paramount, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. Though priced slightly higher, the Duo Crisp's superior features and design are worth the investment. While not the most portable, its ability to elevate your cooking far outweighs any limitations. Elevate your culinary game with the Instant Pot Duo Crisp, where innovation meets exceptional flavor. Experience culinary innovation with the Instant Vortex Plus Dual Basket Air Fryer, a true kitchen marvel that elevates convenience and flavor. This powerhouse doesn't stop at air frying, it seamlessly transitions between roasting, baking, dehydrating, and reheating with ease. Its dual basket design and user-friendly controls redefine cooking, ensuring every dish becomes a masterpiece. Beyond air frying, the Instant Vortex Plus effortlessly tackles various cooking functions. Imagine roasting chicken while baking dinner rolls or crafting delectable snacks while reheating leftovers, all at the touch of a button. This appliance adapts to your every culinary whim. Operating the Instant Vortex Plus is intuitive with its touchscreen controls, pre-programmed settings, and keep warm function. Cleanup is really easy with non-stick baskets and dishwasher-safe components, making post-feast tidying hassle-free. Though falling within a higher price range, the Instant Vortex Plus justifies its value through unmatched versatility and premium features, making it a worthy investment for culinary enthusiasts. Redesign your kitchen experience and unleash culinary creativity with the Instant Vortex Plus Dual Basket Air Fryer. If you are still watching till this instance, just take a moment of your time to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon to get notified when we drop new videos. At the top spot of this fryer stands the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. A marvel equipped with clear cook and odor erase technology. This appliance redefines cooking, boasting a 6-quart capacity for family feasts. With 6 preset functions, from air frying to dehydrating, it caters to diverse culinary desires. The clear cook window and internal light offer a sneak peek without opening the basket, preserving flavors. Odor erase technology minimizes unwanted smells, though effectiveness varies. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe components. Affordability meets quality, making the Instant Vortex Plus accessible to all. While its attributes shine, some users find odor erase less potent, and food sticking to the basket can pose cleaning challenges. A touch noisy, it's a versatile addition to your kitchen. Experience culinary excellence with the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer, where innovation meets flavor, convenience, and affordability. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you make up your mind on which air fryer to buy. Links of all the air fryers are listed in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification button so as not to miss any of our in-depth reviews again.